Hi there and welcome to EarthNC. We are the leading provider of nautical charts for both Google Earth and Google Maps. We provide these maps in a number of different ways and products, including online on our website, as well as offline for sale with our Select EarthNC Plus product line, and through our growing network of publisher affiliates. Let me just take you through a very quick tour through all the different offerings we have. And everything I'm about to tell you is findable on our website. So to begin with, the first offering is our EarthNC Online. EarthNC Online is essentially the nautical chart, nautical data, embedded in a viewer window directly on our website. If you click on EarthNC Online, you'll see the selection that says Try the EarthNC Online Viewer Now. In there, you'll see a window that basically centers on wherever you are surfing from. So in this particular example, it happens to locate me in the Tampa Bay area, and I have it set as a Google Maps view. And so if you're familiar with Google Maps, everything applies in terms of the ability to zoom in and zoom out. But what you'll find unique here is the data that's included within it. We supply basic navigational data including buoy markers, channel markers, lights, and very high-level depth information. Within this same window, you can select a number of different views. One of the more traditional views is to select what we call the chart view. And in this case, we supply not only the digital icons, which are these green and pink icons, but the underlying raster maps supplied directly from NOAA through our system. And so this is a very quick and inexpensive, it's free, way to get a quick read on the navigational elements of the area in which you're interested in boating. Within this same view and in this same window, I can also select Google Earth, and our system will serve you, our system will now provide the same data but in a much more geographically rich way of displaying the data. It's a satellite view, and we leverage Google Earth directly through what's called the Google Earth API. It allows you to enjoy all the fruits and benefits of Google Earth, but directly within a browser window. And so I can zoom in and zoom out. I can visually inspect my region. I can tilt my axis, and I can rotate things. It's a very neat, inexpensive way, again, to get a sense of your surroundings and some of the data elements required. And again, this is all free and built in directly into our system. The next thing I'd like to show you is our flagship product line called EarthNC Plus. EarthNC Plus is designed for use in Google Earth and for use offline as well as online. While EarthNC Online has the very basic navigational data elements, EarthNC Plus has over 183 layers directly supplied by NOAA. And on top of that, you can use this product offline because the files can be stored directly on your laptop, and with Google Earth's caching capability, you can store a certain amount of Google Earth information directly on your website, onto your laptop, and then take it with you for offline use. And as we zoom in and out, once again you'll see the data layers begin to show themselves. And I can actually, through Google Earth, I can get rid of my menu on the left here so I can have a full screen view. And this particular region is Miami. As I zoom in here, more data will begin to surface. And depending on your network connection, this can either be very fast or very slow. A region like Miami has a considerable amount of navigational data, and so sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but be patient and it will come up. And then if I want to go back to my EarthNC Google Earth index here, I can actually select and deselect certain levels of data. So if I want to get rid of certain aspects, I can just simply select or toggle the switch over here, and that will get rid of it quite quickly. And but once you're in this mode, you get to take advantage of all the full benefits of Google Earth itself, including the 3D buildings, terrain, and of course just the generalized satellite imagery. It's a wonderful way to, again, visually inspect the area in which you're going to be boating and to get a better sense of what might lie ahead. In addition to what are called vector charts, we also supply the raster charts, and simply by selecting the slider in Google Earth, you'll see that the actual raster overlay will show itself. And in fact, I can deselect the digital charts and just simply look at the raster. And a lot of times this is a pleasing experience because it's much like the traditional raster charts that you'd buy, but you can zoom in and zoom out and you can see the different data exposed dynamically as you zoom around. It's a lot of fun. And so you can welcome to explore this, or you can buy these files. You can buy EarthNC Plus directly from our website. We have a store location, and you'll see a summary of the product, of the various EarthNC products, including the DVD vector charts I just showed you, as well as the raster charts. We also have partnered with Goops GPS, which allows you to create a fairly effective chart plotter. It will track you without any form of internet connection. It will track your route, and you can see that in real time. And we have various bundles available for you as you shop around. Finally, we also offer these same charts. We offer the raster charts and basic vector data on mobile phones. Simply go to earthnc.com mobile with your iPhone or your Android, and it will take you directly to the map most appropriate for where you're located. And this is free of charge. And then finally, for publishers, it's a very compelling thing to do to add map information and nautical data information to your maps. This is particularly the case for boating websites and boating bloggers. And so it's a very simple way to do this. You can simply just cut and paste. Excuse me, I have to get the right window here. I can simply go through EarthNC Online and I can embed a map depending on wherever I'm located. And I just simply click Get Embed Code, and I cut and paste that embed code directly into my, again, my web page or my blog, and we will serve the geographically centered information depending on where your visitors visit. That's all very easy. A more extensive example would be what we did with with marinas.com, in which case not only did we supply our data, but we created a co-branded environment, and we integrated a good bit of their data directly into the map viewer. And so in addition to the basic navigational data, you have marina information, products and services, ferry terminals, anchorages, and the like. And in this particular case, you simply contact us, and we will work with you on how to get your data directly into this environment and how best to render it so that your users enjoy the experience. So with that, I'd like to thank you for participating in this quick tour. Please contact us if you need to. We certainly would like to hear from you. As I'd mentioned before, you can purchase all the products online, and you can certainly get started right now in using our online service at earthnc.com online. Okay, thank you very much.